Hi, this is Diana at River Sage Farm. Ready to learn something new for the new year? Join me tomorrow at 1 o'clock Saturday, January 2nd at Timber Creek Distillery in Crestview, Florida, where I'll be demonstrating my fabulous sweet and sour chicken recipe using River Sage Farm's own homemade Scuppernong grape jelly. I'll be using all fresh ingredients and will explain how to make the recipe gluten-free or vegetarian and can answer questions you may have about crafting this easy one-skillet dish. Timber Creek Distillery has plenty of space for social distancing, so why not start the new year with a local adventure? Come on down, give Timber Creek Distillery's Florida-made beverages a try, and learn a new way to enjoy the Southland's own versatile grapes, the Scuppernongs. Visit River Sage Farm and Timber Creek Distillery on Facebook for details.